Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a book that you have already read or that you want to read to the Bookly application. So this is the option where you have to type in the details of a particular book manually. So first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to the My Books section by clicking on the My Books button down below, then click on this plus icon in the upper left corner, tap on Add Single Book. And here you can see that you have three options. You can either search for a book online, or you can also scan in the ISBN code or add it manually by taking a picture of the book itself by clicking on this plus icon. Here you can either search for the cover online, select from your library, or take a picture with your phone. After that, click on Use Photo down below. Here you should select whether you want to indicate the pages, percentage, or audiobook. Down below you will be able to add these details. First of all, you need to add the book title. After that, the author of the book. And then you should type in the number of pages. And here you can indicate whether it is a book that you have already read. So if you click on it, you can see that you have the option to rate the book from 1 to 5. And also you can indicate the finish date, so the date when you have finished reading this book. If you are currently reading this book, tap on the other option and type in the current page you are at. And after that, if you are done with all these details, click on Add Book down below. And here you will be able to find all of your books that have been added to the My Books section. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.